In this video, we're going to talk about my exclusive bonuses for 500 a pop. I am super excited about this program. I've made more content on this than just about any other program I've been through because I think it's so perfect for so many people. I actually have 2 YouTube channels. I think I've done 2 or 3 videos on this channel and done 1 video that was exclusively about this and one where I referenced it on my other channel, which is just not normal. So again, I have a full review breaking down the program here. I believe I have another one that goes over the program after I bought it. But in this one, I really want to talk in more depth about the bonuses. I touched on them here, but I think they deserve a little more in-depth going through because I think they're killer bonuses for this product. I've been through other people's bonuses and they're just so generic. And like some of them might be good, but a lot of them have nothing to do with 500 a pop. So I want to make sure you have the best chance of actually succeeding. So a lot of other videos you can watch on the channel about why this is such a good experience, a good opportunity, so you can start making money fast. If you want the full review, again, the link in the description is going to take you to this page. And if you use that link in the description and you click right here, it's going to take you to the sales page and you can learn more about the product here. If you decide to buy, it's only like 17 bucks, which is unbelievable. If you decide to buy through my link, you will get all of my bonuses 100% for free. So let's talk through these bonuses in this video. Number 1 is the recurring revenue affiliate stack blueprint. Now, I originally said, I think I actually said it in this video, that you should charge $9.97. I've actually upgraded this thinking a little bit based on some more market research. I like the $447 number. I like the $447 number, sorry, $497, basically $500 number, because I think that can be closed over email. I don't want to really pick up the phone and talk to people. If you're willing to, you can get to 1,000 easily. You can also kind of add back in things like, hey, if you want this, this, and this, then whatever. I think the best price point for this is going to be $497 and with an option of a payment plan for $200 for 4 months. So that gives you the potential of earning anywhere up to $800, right? So that's our initial payment structure. But with the recurring revenue affiliate stack, now we want to say like, okay, how else can we make money on this deal? Well, one way we can do it, and this is just going to depend on what your client wants and kind of the expectations that you want to lay out for them. Again, like this, when I say client, this is just someone you're contacting who needs a thing. I mean, I did like a live search of trying to find businesses that either didn't have a website or had a bad website. Every time I've tried to do this, I've done it within 5 minutes. I found multiple people to contact within 5 minutes. And these people who will deeply, deeply value you doing this because I'm sure they would love a website, but they haven't had time to make one or find somebody to make them one. So what we could do. So first option is we could offer a recurring maintenance plan for them. So that can be monthly, that can be yearly, that can be monthly or yearly. And like you can pay 10 months and you get a discount for 2 months free, basically, if you want to do an annual one. So that's a really good option. And that's also very normal for people who build websites. So that won't like throw them off because you do have to host it, right? So basically you're just handling the hosting for them. You're charging more than it costs you to host it, but there's no like back end work you have to do with that. It's literally just set it and forget it, like any website. Another option is if they want to do it themselves, you can send them a short link like, hey, this is all you have to do. But you can send them affiliate links with the recommendations that you have. So if they need a domain, you can send them a recommendation of, I love to get my domains at Namecheap. They're the cheapest. You can use an affiliate link and you get a commission when they buy their domain there. You can also say Bluehost as an affiliate commission. So send them and say, hey, this is where I typically host all of my websites. And I think it gets you $65 per sale. So now, and you actually can get more than that. So now you've taken $500 or $800, depending if they take the payment plan, and buffed it up to $600 or $900, right? And then there are things that we continue to do, like what other strategies can we implement to stack revenue in like a non-abrasive or aggressive way. So we go through that in this bonus. If you want to make more money, the bonus is a no-brainer. The 2-click prospect finder. So we want to be able to find these prospects fast. I did some like, again, live search, basically like South Carolina, random city, plumber. Here's some options. But it's going to come down to finding really good prospects for this. You don't want to waste your time. If you're contacting 10 to 20 people a day, which would take you literally no time to do something like that, You want to make sure you're contacting people who actually need this service. So that's why we built this out. Is the 2-click prospect finder is going to help you find the people who need it the most today and are most likely to say yes. And it's going to help you find them very, very quickly. Number 3 is the 500 proof before payment outreach script vault. So when you reach out to someone offering them this thing that they really want and need, how are you going to approach it? Right? You could say, hey, sorry you didn't have a website. Do you want this one? But that's not really what we want to do, right? So first thing we want to do is we want to use AI, 2 clicks. It's going to give us the website. And we want one picture of it. We don't want to take multiple screenshots. One picture that covers all or most of the main page of the website. And by the way, if you're thinking there's no way AI can make websites like this, this is not a website. This is a landing page. But this whole thing was created with AI with literally 2 prompts. Unbelievable. Took less than 2 minutes. All of this. And again, that's me not putting in any work. There's no excuse you can't do the exact same thing for a website. So we're going to take a picture of the website. We built them in 2 clicks. We're going to send it over, but we want to make sure our script is really good. Now, I recommend trying all the different scripts in the vault. And I recommend trying all of them in however many industries you go into. So if you contact electricians and painters and plumbers and restaurants, I would try all the scripts in each one. Which one performs best, just continue to use that one. And there's so many angles you can go on this, right? Like you can go, hey, I visited this city and I was going to go to your restaurant, but your website didn't exist, so I didn't know if y'all still did, so I went to this one. Or the website looks really old, so I didn't know if y'all were still around, so I went to this other one. So like telling them that I went to your competitor because anyway, there's a lot of scripts there that's going to give you really good angles in the emails when you reach out to them. Number 4 is this competitor leverage email template. So this is what your competitor is doing. How do we beat them, right? Like, why is your competitor beat you when you know you have the better product? So these email templates are really going to leverage into that piece. That how can we compete better? Maybe you already have the better product. Let's make sure people know you have the better product. So we're going to refer to our competitors here. I mean, they're very aware of who their competitors are and they would like to beat them. But again, becoming a business owner just takes so much time that they haven't been able to do the things they want, like get a website up and running. The 10-minute AI polish checklist, they're going to go over some of this in the course, but when you deliver, so this isn't on the initial build where we're just sending a screenshot of the main homepage. When you actually build the website for them, again, you can do this in a handful of clicks. This isn't going to take long, but this is a checklist to make sure every single thing that needs to be on this list, that needs to be on this website, is actually on your website. So you're going to go through it and you're going to go, this is on the website, this is on the website. Ooh, forgot this one. Go ask AI to fix it. It fixes it. Okay, this one's on the website, this one's on the website, this one's on the website. This is going to make sure your customers have great experiences with you. They give you referrals and they give you testimonials because they love what you got them and it was at a great price. Number 6, the Instant Authority Portfolio Template. We are sending these small, quick websites out to so many people. You are silly if you are not building a portfolio. So what you should be doing is every time you email somebody, you should save the website you created or the image of the website you created, put it all into a huge portfolio. So then if someone ever asks like, hey, have you done these before? You can send them this massive portfolio of all of these websites that you turned around. But we want to make sure we make this. This is very easy to do, very little extra work. And this is going to give us a lot of extra authority when we're talking to potential customers. So guys, these bonuses are going to make sure this product, 500 a pop, is a no-brainer for you. I'm going to help you win fast. I'm going to help you make more money. And ultimately, I hope it makes you want to subscribe to the channel and get more and more value if you ever decide to buy something else online. I would love you to come back here because we do create the absolute best bonuses for you guys because I want you to win. That's what I care about. So hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about any of the bonuses, let me know in the description or in the comments. In the description, it will take you to this page. You can watch my full review. You can also go on the channel and see my other videos about this. You can look more at the bonuses yourself. Once you complete your purchase, all you're going to do is email me at info@jakethornhill.com. Then I'm able to check to make sure the purchase went through, that you used my link, and then I'm going to deliver those bonuses to you. Guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you're excited about picking 500 a pop up. It's a great opportunity that I think a lot of people are going to make a lot of money doing. So hope you enjoy this. I'll see you in the next video.